In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change theme image in Pandadoc. To begin, open the document or template where you want to update the theme image. You will want to do this inside the Pandadoc editor because that is where the formatting and theme settings are available. If you manage both templates and documents, remember that changing the theme image in a template is useful when you want the same background look across future documents created from it. Once your document is open in the editor, go to the top navigation bar. Look for the option called Format. In some versions of the interface, Format used to be located in a sidebar tab, but the key is that you are looking for the formatting controls. Select Format to open the related menu. After you select Format, you will see a drop-down with more options. From that drop-down, choose Theme. This takes you to the theme settings where Pandadoc keeps your document-wide styling, including options connected to the page background. Now focus on the left sidebar within the theme settings. You will see a section labeled Page. Under Page, click Background. This is the area that controls what appears behind the content on your pages. If your document has multiple pages, this is a good time to pay attention to how the background setting is applied, since theme backgrounds are generally intended to keep the design consistent. In the background settings, find the Background Image area. Under Background Image, click Image. This is the control that lets you choose or replace the current theme image. From here, select the new image you want to use as your theme image and apply the change. As a quick tip, use an image that matches the page size and has enough resolution to stay sharp when viewed or exported. Also, choose a design that does not reduce readability, since text and fields will sit on top of the background. Once the image is changed, your document will update to reflect the new theme background. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.